Well, getting pretty close with the Toyota Cressida. Those don't remember, this is a 1982 MX62 Cressida wagon. After picking it up, I've done a little more research, so I'm more knowledgeable about them. 83 was the last year, 82 was the first year. 2 year only on the MX62s. They replaced it with an MX72, which ran until 92. First time out after getting it put back together. Just doing a little quick walk around as I came out to take some stills.
Looks good.
Thank you, thank you. Almost it's all original paint. The roof's been painted, the hood's been painted, tops of the fenders. Pretty much everything else about the car is original. I'm going to make a bold statement. And someone please try to prove me wrong. This is probably the nicest left in the country. With that being said, this is the initial shakedown after getting everything put together mechanically the way I wanted it to be, looking for anything else I need to fix. I'm less embarrassed to say this preservation, probably the easiest thing about it was to put wiper fluid in for the windshield washers. I forgot to do it, so that's definitely one thing. Fuel gauge started acting up on me, so I guess the tank's coming down. Give it one last cleaning and then fix the fuel gauge. But this is just shot off an iPhone, so it's not going to be the best video, but we'll be doing high quality videos once the car is final detailed and everything's fixed. But just wanted to give you a quick walk around and update you on how it's coming. It's getting close, guys. Really happy on this one. Once again, sorry about the iPhone video, but new video will be coming as soon as I get finished shaking it down. All original interior, mainly original paint. Like I said, bold statement, but I haven't seen one nicer. If you guys haven't looked at the rest of my channel, you can see where I bought this. This is actually a true barn find. Bought when I was looking for a different car and noticed it sitting there. Lucky enough to make a deal on it. I believe it's a 2-owner car at best, at worst I guess. And I was told it's a 1-owner car. It was titled in Florida, it looks like, and in Virginia, but they own properties in both, and I see documents supporting that. So more than likely it's 1 owner, but it has been titled twice. I'm trying to get a resolution. They told me it was 1 owner, but that was also the son. All right, guys, enjoy. Just wanted to get it out after the exhaust, front shocks, bearings, strut supports, whatever you want to call them, and all the other little stuff. Runs great, air is cold, super happy. Check out the channel, save me. You can see how this car was found. A little bit of the clean, a little bit of the mechanical refurb on it, while keeping everything original. Alright guys, back to work.